Tikahoy, na one of the favorite food Filipino, with coconut, coconut, yeah, coconut kudkud, and then you get put there, and coconut with sugar, and together the coffee you're eating every morning is very masarap, delicious is one of the favorite Filipino food here in the Philippines. Now is kamunti kahoy. Kamunti kahoy. They have also in kamuti bangin. It's already matamis na. Hindi na kailangan ng asukal. Yun. Ito kailangan niya ng asukal kasi hindi siya matamis. Itong kamunti kahoy na ito. Kaya ang sarap nito. Kung may panglupak lang kami, lulupakin nito. Kaya lang walang panglupak, kaya ito na lang ang ginawa namin. Giningit-ngit yung kamunti ang coconut, ilagay dyan, yun na lang. Yun na lang ang ginawa ni Bika. Yan. Ano ba yung TV mo ngayon, Bek? Hindi ko na alam yung TV mo ngayon eh.
Kabsit.
Yung kabsit pala. Bika kabsit. Yan. Ito na. Itong di nga namin maalam to. Pang-almusal, mawawala na itong gana namin kumain ng kanin pag kinain na namin to. Sigurado yan. Dahil ito ang one of the most vitamins. Hybrid carbohydrates. Manny Pacquiao, it's in the beginning, Manny Pacquiao, world champion. This is the food Manny Pacquiao. In the beginning, the boxer is in the beginning elimination in boxing. So eating Manny Pacquiao, always eating every day, and banana, and then kamuti bangin. So Manny Pacquiao is super boxer, very strong hand, because this food is giving strong your hand. Now you know. Thank you so much. Thank you to all watchers watching in my small videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. God bless us all.